Hi, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your broken belt which snapped because you're sanding too hard or whatever. And it's as easy as buy new belts, obtain new belt. Unscrew, screw. Grab that, make sure your motor is unplugged from the wall. Thread it through. If it's gonna thread through here. Oh, what I put in is 80 grit. You can go between 80 grit and about 600 grit if I remember correctly. Now, you gotta take that off. Then you can put, there's usually an arrow, and that goes like so. So then when you thread that in there, loosen tension, come on. Get on there. Get it in proper position. And that wants to slide off, so then you're gonna retension it by this screw here. I don't know why belts want to stay on pulleys with that little bevel edge. I would think it would be like that, not like that. I'll show you a picture on screen in a couple seconds of what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's put the cover back on, thread it back on. In the next video, I'll show you how to properly hook up a dust collection system for your shop or whatever. Then you thread that back on, and then let's see if that works. Plug back in. Oh, no wonder. I forgot to adjust the table. Always readjust this after you put a new belt in. I usually have the angle up here like so. Make sure there's at least one. Make sure there's at least a Now let's check it. Alright, cool. Alright, so that concludes today's video. Like, subscribe, all that malarkey, whatever. We'll see you in the next video. Alright.